Nifty pre-open on 12th Jan 2023 seems to be opening a bit on a higher side, that is gap up opening. However, the chances that the market may sustain on the higher side, that is go to the north with a passport of higher ups, is a bit bleak as of now. Let me tell you why. That's because of the SGX Nifty is showing 49 points and that may push the gap up opening. However, the market is a bit on a scary side of falling as of now. Why is that? That's because of technical analysis, and let's look at the one-day chart in yesterday's session. One-day chart actually showed a lot of sideways movement yesterday. Look at the lows was around 17,824.35 and high was at 17,976. However, after that the market was totally within that range. It hardly crossed the highs of 17,944 and at the lows of 17,860 levels. So it was within a very tight range of 100 points in yesterday's session, and that's because the market is actually getting lot of pressure from bulls to go upwards and bears to come downwards. Look at this. There was almost about 200 points hike from this particular range 824 to 976, almost 200 points, and now the market was not even moving 100 points higher and lower within the range of sideways movement in yesterday's session after 11 o'clock till 3:30. So that shows that the market is in pressure. When the market is in pressure, it actually tries to move upwards or lowards, and at that point of time, if the bulls and bears both have their good hands, have their strong hands, then they will probably suppress each other, and that's when the sideways movement actually happens. However, within this particular range, there is a very easy method to actually channelize your profits. I'll make a video about that as well. So let's jump into the technical analysis of today's. Let's remove the Fibonacci retracement which we had drawn yesterday. Okay, that being said, let's see where are the supports and resistances for Nifty as of now. 17,899 and 17,816 were the supports yesterday and will be the supports even today, because the market has actually not done much in yesterday's session to today's session. The market has just closed in a doji. The doji means that the market is currently facing a lot of pressure from bulls and bears. Almost both have the same hand for pushing the market either higher or lower. That being said, let's look at the technical analysis for the Nifty pre-open on 12th Jan 2023. Let's see if 20-day EMA is giving any support. However, it is giving a lot of resistance for the market. Nifty is seeing a blanket of resistance. Look at this, a blanket from the levels of 18,431 levels, and previously it is a blanket of resistance. It is just showcasing that this is a resistance you have to pull off in order to go upwards. So 20-day EMA acts as resistance. It follows to be a resistance and it will be a resistance in the future as well. However, that being said, the supports are the Fibonacci retracements. So the support of 17,816 levels and 17,899 are really great supports. That's because the market has actually stopped at that point. Look at this. This is one of the supports where there is a great candle which has stopped over here. So this is 17,899. This is how we determined the support over here. And that being said, the next support is at the level of 18,106 levels, and the next support being the 18,071 and 18,000. The this support is at the level of 17,959, and next is at 18,000 and 18,000. The 68 to 71 levels are the resistances for the market. So that being said, let's see the whole resistances: 18,000, 18,058, 18,155, and 18,166 and 18,200. And the supports, there are a lot more supports, however these are the greatest supports for the market as of now. So where is the market actually going to head from here onwards? So the next heading towards the market actually falls towards the next level of 18,068 levels. That is the level where the market may head to in today's session. Seems like we may have a great session today. That's the positive session, because S&P 500 was up by 1.28%, and Nasdaq was up by 1.76%. Dow Jones was up by 0.8%, and the Nikkei index was yesterday up by 1%, and today is marginally up at 0.02%, at 6 points higher. So the SGX Nifty is also cheering the market at 52 points higher. So there may be a gap up opening and a follow up buying as well towards the level of 18,000 levels. So that being said, there is a possibility that the market may move upwards from here, because it has actually tapped into the negative the support level, and the negativity is kind of reversed as of now. It has touched the support and it has moved all the way higher from the support levels of 17,816 levels, and it has closed recently in yesterday's close at 17,895. That is great for the market as of now. So that's the technical analysis for the Nifty pre-open on 12th Jan 2023. And if you are looking to be a multi-bagger, you are looking to bag the multi-bagger, then I will show you how you can pick your next multi-bagger in this video. Go and check out that video where I am showing where is my multi-bagger portfolio and where is my money. Is my money actually resting in the good stocks or the bad stocks? You will see it over here. So go check that, how to invest in a multi-bagger and which multi-baggers I have in my portfolio. That's the multi-bagger stocks for you. Go check it out. I'll see you in that video.